G'day everyone, here we are with a classic today, an MGB 1963. It's an absolute ripper of a car and it's owned by a really good mate of ours at Retro Rides, Shane Jacobson.
Hey mate.
How are you, buddy?
I'm good, mate, I'm good.
Good to see you, fancy seeing you here.
Well, fancy seeing me, standing right beside my car. The magic of television.
Mate, we're taking this car to auction in our May auction.
We are. It's one of those things where I'm kind of going to be sad to see it go, and then everyone says, then why are you selling it? But as you know, mate, I've got a few cars, and I've got to the point I have run out of room. Yep. I'm in that phase where I'm turning cars over to make room for other cars.
Well, it's a tidy little thing, isn't it?
It's a great thing, but the thing is, you know, I've got a big family. There's, including my wife and me and the kids, there's 6 of us, and so we don't all get in this. And I've got a HQ ute, as you know, that's a two-seater, two-door. It's obviously a ute. So I've got a few that only carry 2 humans, and so yeah, it's a bit of a reluctant sale in a way. It's been fully restored. I didn't do the work. The thing came fully restored. In fact, the guy that did it, that came out of Canberra, it's pretty much a ground up resto, like re-upholstered, everything. He pulled the motor apart, and in fact, it comes with a book that I'll hand over with the car, which has even a USB of like a whole bunch of photos of the full resto. So he did a fantastic job. And you've had the car, what, 4 or 5 years? I've had it 5 years, and I just haven't driven it enough. And we're in the beautiful Macedon Ranges at the moment, which is where I happen to live, and she's cold up here a lot. And if it's not cold, it's really hot and I get sunburnt. Yeah. So, dare I say that, again, it's a reluctant sale because I do think they're such a beautiful car. I did always want one. Mate of mine's sister had one when we were kids growing up. I always thought it was the coolest car I've ever seen, and when it became available, I've purchased it. But I've had 5 years of fun with it, but it just doesn't get on the road enough, and I've got to make room.
Has this one got synchro in first gear, or?
You're allowed to, you can put it into first gear whenever you want, as long as that moment that you want it, you're standing absolutely still. You're right.
Okay. So the answer to that is no synchro in first.
No synchro in first.
As a 1963 MGB didn't have. And they were, what, 1800cc?
Yeah, 1.8.
Yep.
And this thing, I mean, it'll snap your head back when it takes off if you've got a really weak neck. Because this thing will do 0 to almost 100 in 12.2 seconds. Because what's 60 mile? It's like 97, is it?
98 k's an hour.
Yeah, so it does 0 to not quite 100 in 12.2 seconds.
Yeah, well, you know, it's fun to drive a slow car fast, as they say. You know?
Well said. But it's true. The other thing with this thing, you cruise in this, and it does that really well. You actually sit really low to the ground on these things, which is kind of a cool thing. It takes me 20 minutes to get out of it. So if you want any shots of me climbing in and out of it, I'd prefer we didn't. Because it's like watching a hippo try and get in a letterbox.
I dig the colour, and, you know, because not everyone, but so many MGBs are in red, right?
Yeah.
That's
green,
obviously the hero colour. A mate of mine's got a silver one, but I really like this colour. Now, it's not original colour, is it?
No, it's not. It was resprayed. So it's called Pageant Blue. Don't ask me the colour number, but I do have it written down. To be honest, I love the colour. I can't believe they didn't bring them out like this, because they should have.
Yeah, it's a lovely colour.
For this year, yeah. So, but it's a beautiful thing to look at. I see it as a piece of art. I see all cars as a moving piece of art. The other thing is it's got white wall tyres.
You had those put on?
I got those put on. They're not original. They didn't come out with white walls, but I honestly think it sets it off beautifully. A few of the MG aficionados will be pretty quick to let me know. They do comment, oh, they shouldn't be on that. They didn't come out on that car. Yeah. Yes, the white walls aren't original. Yes, the colour's not original, but I'll be honest, the combination of the two I think is fantastic.
Well, Shane, I think there's only one thing left to do.
Unless you're going to suggest eat, I would suggest the next thing we do is drive.
Let's go for a spin, eh?
Yeah, and then we can eat.
Yeah.
We don't have to film that, by the way. They're just my 2 favourite things to do. Oh, look, see how quick we get in? Hey?
Unbelievable.
Safety first. We've got a belt here.
Oh, do we?
It's only a lap belt. Well, it kind of comes half over your shoulder. I'm doing this so people know we're doing it right.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Kind of comes over your shoulder, clips in like that. That's me for beauty. Oh, here we go. Oh, hear that? Old school. Give it a rev, shall we?
Here we go.
Oh, now she's happy.
Oh, it's the most fun we've had it. 70 k's an hour.
The thing is, they do feel quick, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
And it's only because
so low.
it's so low on the wing of the hair.
Mate, I find when you're going to sell a car and you take it for a run like this, you start having second thoughts. And
I know.
But, you know, you've made up your mind this one's got to go.
I have, but I'm telling you, there's part of me is going to be heartbroken and coming down through the gearbox, through this big, sweeping bend. Feel the power.
It actually pulls really well when you're going up. I mean, we're on quite a good hill here.
Yeah.
You're in fourth, it's just pulling nicely. There's not a rattle in the car. It's nice and tight. It's great, isn't it?
It's, well, I've enjoyed it every time I've driven it.
Yeah.
And there is something about a roofless car.
Yeah, totally.
Not ruthless, ruthless.
Yeah, I don't think anyone's ever described an MGB as ruthless, but ruthless, yes.
And the other thing is, you know, in the Macedon range, you're going for a country drive. I'm blessed that we live in the country, you know what I mean? I mean, you're being stuck on a freeway all day in this, you wouldn't get the joy in it, but going for a country drive.
No, totally. How are you feeling about the auction?
I've always liked auctions because, well, number one, I just like watching car auctions. But the thing I love about it is there's many eyes on it. Obviously for me, the idea of having my car sitting at home and having a whole bunch of tyre kickers come around, tyre kickers come around to check out the car is not ideal.
No.
And some people, to be honest with me, would probably just come to meet me and see the car.
Yeah.
But at an auction, the car's the star, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And the other thing is, I think you get to a broader audience. They're most likely proper car enthusiasts. And with you guys, I know, you know, you make sure they're all vetted, you know, they're all the real deal, you know.
That's right. You know, there's a bit of an adrenaline rush with selling a car at auction too. You know, You're sitting there watching, thinking, how's it going to go? Where's it going to get to?
Well, it's a world I'm used to, because when you do a movie, you wait for the box office to come in.
Yeah.
And so you watch the numbers climb.
Yeah, right.
So I'll be honest, for me it feels like home.
That's a good analogy, actually.
Because I'm watching the box office of my car. That's the other thing about this car is you do have to drive it.
Yeah.
You are genuinely an active part of driving the car, which I love, and that's what I'm going to miss about it.
Yeah.
You know, having said that, the Commodore I'm doing up at the moment has got an Aussie 4-speed in it, so I'm not going to lose all the manual
you'll
cars.
still be all right. Now, this car, it comes with a lot of documentation too, doesn't it?
Yeah, so the guy who did the ground-up resto on this took photos of it all the way, so it actually comes with a book, and it actually comes with a poster. With the magic of editing, I reckon by now we can make them flash up the poster.
We can show the poster.
But then they've got to cut. But then they've got to cut away from us driving.
Well, that's true.
And it comes with a book that has a heap of photos and documentation and receipts of everything that was done. So the great part is I don't have to rely on people taking my word for it. I just hand over the book.
Yep.
And if you want to see the kind of work and the effort they went to, upholstery included, like, you know, everything was restoed.
Yeah, no,
you know,
it is. It's lovely. It's just beautifully done, right?
We ready to over the taps again?
Yeah, let's give her the berries.
See, she's awake now, isn't she?
Yeah, look at that.
We're still doing under the speed limit. Hey?
This is what I love, going fast
In a slow
in
car.
a slow car.
When I was a kid, I think I might have told you, my best mate's sister had a red MG, and I used to sit across that little sort of parsley shelf there. It wasn't even a seat, but you never got pulled over back then.
Yeah.
So, but sitting in the back, you just heard the purr, and it was always the purr of an MG.
And when you look at it, there's not much room back there, but
I wouldn't fit in there now.
what I can't get over though, like I'm just over 6 foot, my feet can't touch the firewall.
Yeah.
There's loads of room.
It's more comfortable for your legs in this than it is in an E-type Jag.
Yeah.
You know, in an E-type, your legs are over on one side.
Yeah, that's right. Well, there's so much engine too.
Yeah, well, yeah, in the V12, it's all engine, isn't it?
Yeah.
But again, the gearbox, it is such a great little H-pattern.
Yeah.
And it really is a little short change box.
Yeah.
And like I said, when I want to feel cool, I keep my hand down the bottom of the gear stick. Makes it seem even shorter. It's not often you hear someone say that. That sounded far more sus than I wanted that to sound.
Well, mate, there we go. A bit of open top motoring. I feel fantastic.
Bit of wind through the hair.
I'll wind through what little hair I've got left. I feel like a new man.
Now, you got to kind of hang onto a seat, grab the window to get out. It's not pretty.
Yeah, well, we're very agile young men, you and I.
Are we?
Well, look, thanks for giving us the opportunity to take care of this sale for you.
Pleasure.
Yeah,
I'm thrilled you're doing it.
No, it's a nice car. Ladies and gentlemen, our May auction, which actually ends June 3, so don't miss out. Fabulous MG, only at rrauctions.com.au. The only place you'll be able to buy Shane Jacobson's MGB.